Hello. Hello from Slovenia again. I decided that I will give this fluorescent color palette another go, another try, and I will use this split cup again. Kind of, I don't know. And of course, some fluorescent paints. I will talk about colors a little later, and I will add a drop of silicone oil in each of those paints. Just one, because I don't want a ton of cells, but I want some. And of course I will mix it in. I don't use silicone oil in my paintings a lot, and when those fluorescent paints that I used on my Sunday life, I still have them mixed, and I thought maybe I will try to do that. This is fluorescent magenta, and the first one was fluorescent blue and fluorescent violet, and this is reflex orange. I will put all the brands and colors into the description box if you would like to check that. And this was Lukas fluorescent yellow, and this is Amsterdam reflex green. And I will pour some black for my base. I just hope I did thin it down, but still I don't know if I thin it down enough, because I always seem to have a problem with thinner consistency more than with thicker one. I don't know how it's about you, or it's the same, but it's how it is with me, I think. But as you know, if you don't try, you don't know. And I love to experiment, and I love to try things, so I think that I'm quite adventurer in paint pouring, but that's not how maybe I'm not that adventurous kind of in my life, you know. I don't like adrenaline and stuff, so maybe this is the part of me that needs to be released with an art. I don't know. Maybe this was sound weird, but I normally just talk with you about this, how I feel, how I am feeling, no, or how I feel while I'm doing art with all of you on the other side of screens. Okay, this should be enough. I don't even know if I will. I want to have some negative space, that's why I did cover the whole canvas with black. Okay, torch this for air bubbles. And I will pour some black here where I will add my split cup on. It's open split cup, I don't know how to say that. And I will layer some blue first here and here in two of those chambers. And I will use some titanium white between some colors because all those colors are transparent, and I'm just hoping for some sales or something. That's why I added this white. I will add this white here and there just for some contrast in sales maybe. And I don't want to tilt too much, so, and neither torch. This is a plan that I don't know if it will work, but my hands are shaking today. And I have a lot more paint here than there in this one, but I don't know. And I will go in the opposite way on this side. I layered my open cup, and maybe I will just pour some black in this direction where I kind of want to go. So let's do it. Will tilt a little bit. Because I see a lot of nice things here. Oops. Where is this green underneath? So it will pop. I will pop some cells out probably with the torch. But first, because I don't want my cells to be real big. I will just stretch this and leave that black on there. Now I'm happy. Now I have to be careful with my torch because I want some cells but don't know how much. And where I want them. I kind of like this and I like this. Maybe let's go here a little bit and look what will happen. I will leave it like it is because I have to say that I like it. So let me take you down for a close-up. I think that it's pretty cool. I like it. And I like that those cells that are nice shaped. Just think that I overdid this part here, but it's interesting anyway. See some beautiful cells and this part with this transparency. See, almost looks like it's falling here in some rainbow colors. And somebody lives here. So I'm pretty happy with this one. Tell me what you think about it. And see you on the next one. Bye.